Well, hello and welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm an Alabama consumer protection attorney. And here's our question for today. Is it really legal for a debt buyer to sue me in a debt collection lawsuit in Alabama? And this question comes up quite a bit. First of all, it is legal to buy debt. So a company can buy old credit card debt or maybe deficiencies after repossession of an automobile. So it is legal to buy debt, but that's not where the analysis ends. The debt buyer must prove it owns that debt. So it may be legal to buy the debt, but the debt buyer has to show in court that it owns that debt, that it truly bought it. And here's one way to think about it is you think about your car, think about your house, and there is something that's often referred to as the chain of title. And so you want to make sure when you buy your house, the person you bought your house from had, quote, good title to the house. Same thing with a car. And so these guys that claim to buy debt, and they may be third, fourth, fifth in line of buying it, they have to prove that chain of title, that they bought the debt and that the person that sold it to them actually owned it, and then you have to keep going back to the original creditor. Well, here's the bottom line. Many of these debt buyers either cannot or will not prove they own the debt. Now, in some ways, we don't really care. When they sue you, that's their burden to prove that. If they choose not to prove it, it still means that you will win. If they cannot prove it, it still means you'll win. So here's something else to keep in mind. Even if they prove ownership, and that's a big if, and I've been doing this many years, even if they can prove ownership, there are still other defenses. So one example is their claims may be outside the statute of limitation. In other words, they waited too long to sue. So that can be a defense even if they prove ownership. So the bottom line is, in general terms, suing may be legal, but the lawsuit could violate Alabama law, could violate federal law. So it might be a malicious prosecution case where they sue you and they have no proof. It could violate the FDCPA, Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, because they sued you outside the statute of limitation, where they don't have proof, or they're suing you for more than you owe. There's all sorts of reasons why the lawsuit, while just in general terms it may be legal to sue you, your particular lawsuit that is filed against you may be illegal. So my suggestion to you is find out your rights and your 5 options. And so many people get sued, they say my only option is bankruptcy. No, that's one option. But you have 4 more. You have a total of 5 options when you're sued. And we have lots of videos that cover these 5 options. There'll probably be a link below that will show you, or you can just look on our YouTube channel or on our main website, alabamaconsumer.com, and you'll see these 5 options. So if you have any questions of a general nature or comments, feel free to put those below. If you live in Alabama and you have a specific question for us, feel free to get in touch with us. 205-879-2447, or you can go to our main website, and again, that is alabamaconsumer.com. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye-bye.